So what do you think, Mayor? I think it was a good meeting. You got lots of good ideas out of this.
I think we did. I think, the community members that showed up, definitely here to offer suggestions. We're here to make it a positive, strengths-based event. I think it turned out very well. I think they came up with excellent points.
What's the next step?
Next step is we'll compile all of this data and information. The community has asked us to put together a steering committee, and that steering committee will almost act as a very large consultant, but we're trying to get a very diverse group of individuals from the community that are interested. We're going to have the personnel board involved.
Oh, nice. Now, I suppose it's cart before the horse. Has anybody actually applied for the city manager's
job?
We have
had people reach out.
Have?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I think it's a wonderful city. I don't go along with the people saying, oh, if anybody comes here, there's something wrong with them. I don't believe that. We're a vibrant community. We've got the Rockland Harbor Trail moving through. We've got the Harbor Master office, and that whole public landing has been cleaned up. Everything's looking really quite spiffy.
Yeah, so it'll be a nice position for someone.
It will be. I think so. Whoever wants to come to Rockland and is invested in Rockland is welcome.